dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. Let's jump straight into this tutorial. I'm priming my lids with my Urban Decay primer. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Subculture palette. I'm using this burgundy color and I'm putting that right into the corners of my eyes. You could say I'm creating a V in the corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to connect those V's, so I'm just putting that color right into my crease, and then I am going to blend this out. And now I'm taking my NYX concealer and cutting my crease. I like to look up to give me an accurate guide, and I'm only putting this concealer in the middle of my eye. Now I'm taking my James Charles Morphe palette and just packing this burgundy color right on top of that concealer. I'm just packing that on there, but I am going to add another color on top of this. And this is from the same palette. It's the burgundy shimmery color that was right next to the one that I just used. So I'm just packing this on and going in and blending everything as I'm packing on the color. So now it is time to prep my face. I'm using my NYX Bear With Me primer. And for my foundation, I'm using my Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. I love this foundation, you guys. And I'm just buffing this out with my foundation brush, and pretty much all of the brushes that I'm using today are from Morphe. If you guys are looking for some really great brushes, make sure you check out Morphe. They have some really great ones. So now to highlight, I'm taking my NYX Born to Go concealer and just highlighting all of those high points in my face that I want brightened. And then I'm going to go back and add my NYX Gotcha Cover concealer, only because it is a lighter color and I should have gotten a lighter color in the Born to Glow. So I'm just adding that for that purpose. And I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender, and then I will contour. But first I'm going to take a brush and some concealer and just clean up that eyeshadow. Just making it a little bit sharp makes all the difference. So a lot of times people like to put tape and then just remove the tape and they'll have the line, but you can use the tape or you could just go back and clean it up. So now to set that concealer, I'm using my Makeup Revolution baking powder in the color Banana, and I'm just applying that to that concealer. So for contour, I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deepest. And I like a defined jawline. I have a very square face and I like to define it a little bit. So I also put this on my jawline. I contour my nose, contour my cheeks, as well as my forehead sometimes. And for my nose, I like to blend everything out with my finger. It just works so great. And I'm going to take my concealer and highlight down my nose, and also I'm going to cut that contour, make it look a little bit more sharp, and then I'm going to blend that line out. finish my eyes, I'm taking those same eyeshadow colors and just packing those colors underneath my eyes. And I went ahead and applied a thin line of eyeliner and eyelashes. So now I am applying my mascara onto my bottom lashes. I believe it's Essence. I love this mascara, by the way, but I'm just applying that to my bottom lashes. And now I am applying my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold. This is a really great highlighter, you guys. Less is more, unless, of course, you want to glow, super glowy, but a little is enough with this. So for lips, I'm taking my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Vintage, and I'm just lining my lips, and I'm going to line them pretty thick just because I want to do a sort of ombre look. And I'll be filling my lips with my L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick in the color Mon Caramel. It's number 822. And here is my finished look, dolls. This was a really simple makeup look. I really wanted to do something fall inspired, and I wanted to do something to kind of pop out my hair color a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I did create a new account, so make sure you guys are following me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that bell for notifications. I will be uploading a lot of videos, so stay tuned, and I hope to see you in my next one.